Ever notice how it's always the same fight? I mean, maybe the topic changes, the dishes, the schedule, the tone of voice, but the feeling, the frustration, it's familiar, a little too familiar. It's like you're stuck in a loop, a script you've both memorized, but no one knows how it started or how to stop it. Well, here's the thing. Most couples aren't fighting about what they think they're fighting about. They're fighting about what's underneath. What's beneath the fight is almost always something emotional, something raw, something like, I don't feel seen, I don't feel safe, or I feel alone. Let me give you an example. Let's say one of you says you never help around the house. What it sounds like is a complaint about chores, but what it might really mean is I feel unsupported. I feel like I'm doing this all alone and I'm overwhelmed. Or maybe it's you're always on your phone. But what's underneath is I miss you, I feel disconnected, and I'm starting to wonder if you even want to be with me at all. See, we don't always know how to say those deeper things. So we say the safer ones, the ones that come out as sarcasm, criticism, and silence. But that doesn't mean the deeper need goes away. It just goes unheard. And so the fight happens again. Same lines, same ending, same distance afterwards. So I want to ask you something. What fight do you and your partner keep having? And what do you think it might really be about? Not on the surface, but underneath. Because here's the truth. You're not just trying to win an argument. You're trying to get relief. You're trying to feel safe. You're trying to know that you matter. And so are they. This lesson isn't about fixing the other person. It's about seeing what's really going on so you can stop circling the same old pattern and start connecting again. So here's your next step. Think of one fight you've had recently, something that didn't feel big but still left a mark. Then ask yourself, what was I really feeling? What was I really trying to say? Write that down. No judgment, no editing, just put it on the paper. Because the moment you can name the truth beneath the fight, you've already started to change it. So do that, and let's keep going.